evening.
Good evening, KNJ family. Tell this brother say, I'm gonna wash your car. Take up my pan, my rag, my soap. Him tell me say there is a better way to wash your car and a faster way. So film way to wash your car, which is a better and a faster way, is to not put soap on the car so soap burn out the car color. Oi.
Yeah, people, don't know. There. I wash off Betsy, you see it. You see, you know.
You know, so if me did I wash the car, but I done already. The car that shiny and pretty. When him finish trim, no using soap, it now come out shiny and pretty. Tell me if you don't agree with me. There on a Sunday evening, I want to take in some of my features outside and some of my cool breeze. Cool breeze not really work though. Look at Junior, look at the fan. Now getting no cool breeze. Place just still, not even blow the flowers and my blow a tray. I'm just still.
Just wait.
Yeah, wrong time. You mix up the time. What time I know? About after 5? And think I know morning time. So you mix up the time. What mix up the time? Freak. She's a freak. Yeah. Ever sing song when I go sing? You're not doing such a good job. You missed that spot right there.
There you go. Anything well left? Breeze dry that.
See what I write this is full of dirt.
It's just a car wash, I know.
I think he was jack of all trades.
You don't need jack.
Wait him. The man drop out by bucket then? Cause boy wouldn't laugh, I guess see.
Why? People ain't glad say no movement lifting up, I mean I tell you boy.
Junior, that would not stop them from running so?
And when people don't know if you go can they just drive.
When I hear people pass around and stuff and no movement there, all it was that night. That rule doesn't apply to nobody will drive around and stuff. All we got shop and no movement there. No movement for go to supermarket, not corner shop. They like saving time like you this morning but left out late for work. Come here, message you say, yo, you're not left out for work.
Good thing, sir. Today is Sunday. They are slow. So we can reach.
Man, and down here drive and down name phone.
And you come like it early.
We start jogging in the afternoon time, you know.
Eh?
We start jog.
Jog?
I don't know where we go jog still. Maybe a mistake. Man, I audition, love him.
Voice out. But a Christmas carol melody man singing anything?
Yeah, me hear it just me hear it just now.
The man I think I'm going through in a Christmas carol. I'm going to change it up.
Christmas time, you know. Start running. Mystic! 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 Why you don't fix the bucket when you go there first? We cannot fix it. Every time I try to fix it, it's still.
You know, say a man. Outside. Vampire, let me come out now.
Think that BNC?
You know, say a male man. A male man. How is this jungle dungo this? You know, say a male cannot adopt a child by himself. He has to be married. So like for instance, me live by myself, yeah? And for whatever reason, me don't live with no woman there. And I say, Jano, you know, so I don't want to raise a youth. Me can't go adopt a youth. No.
Me even feel like me not capable enough.
It don't look good. It's a female have to do it. Me not like that. That don't look good. That don't look good for the man. You have good man out there, you know? And not every man bad. That don't look good. And that's why no teddy bear and them something about Father's Day, you know?
My man not do with teddy bear.
Teddy bear, chocolate, anything where you can get a gift. Father's Day coming like a dead day. Nothing, just a regular thing. You understand me? I say them Stone Age lawyer. Where in a country need to adjust. Yeah man, need to adjust.
Yes guys, that is how they behave around here.
You know who are going around here saying the bridge, you know, like some do over raceway around here. So.
I'm bound to see the next one before the vlog end.
Yeah peeps. So I tell you now, them Stone Age law there, it need to change. Trust me. I don't like that something there. You see me? I want to go on a joke. Not about the whole adoption thing. You know say. So like I want to see the car catching it while I pass and I behave like a mathematic. I say one day, inside, yeah? And sit down in the hallway. And me hear a bike like in the distance and forward up the road. And me only hear when it reach nearer to me, me only hear boom boom boom. So wait, what that? Because me carry the park out the door. So me run, come out. And I say blow whip, that sound like that lick up in my car. Run, come out and the little brother on the bike drop out right out the road around us behind the car. Drop. So me run, come out now. And I look for me. And I look. And I see the youth like him drop out like right there so. Like right there up on the floor, near to the car. I carry the part like right. You saw where this there now. So me run, come out and I look. Hear him to me, you know. Me alright man, me general, me alright. I said, brother, me no business with you. Me a look if you lick me car, you tell me about if you alright, but them boy you alright. Me no business if you want to mash up. Me a look if you mash up my car. So, eventually, the neighbor van did park. But it's so funny that me never even look on the van. So he take up the bike and eventually should be gone up the road. And when he gone, I realized that the man lick my neighbor van, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, you
Me
remember,
talk about
man?
him. Me talk about him like the first time I hear it.
Yeah. So I tell you, see up on the road, yeah, trust me. Them drive so
especially taxi them.
Hard. And that's why you see it. If you don't watch the previous video them before, when you hear me telling someone put some invisible sleeping policeman boy. Yeah.
A long time a long time I asked me, I say, yo, whoever in charge of the scheme or whatever, go in them have a meeting or a gathering or so and tell them, say, yo, they need to put some sleeping policeman in the scheme because them not drive normal around here, so I see me, so we just move come here. One car, a seal pass, I'm look a puppy run out behind me. I car run over, the woman run over a dog. We down the road, the woman go stop. She never even stop to see what she run over. If it was a child or what, she just gone about her business. But we need some sleeping policeman in the scheme, man, to eliminate some of them fast driving. They now go eliminate the taxi and them things that people still are taking runners of a shortcut, but it will eliminate the fast driving. So just in case a child or somebody say some and move, come across the road suddenly or so, they might have a chance you can not be driving so hard so they can step on them brake and prevent anything from happening. You see it? But boy, me I tell you man, them drive rough. Them drive rough around here man.
Now I stop until somebody get hurt. I mean, just I hope say nobody will get hurt. Because them drive really, really hard. That's it. But I don't know peeps, let me done. Wash the car. That's it.
We inspect it.
Not a dirt, not a spot, not a pimple.
Tire them no wash. Tire them no wash.
Is it? Now have no amaral. So I don't know.
What is that? Dodo? Bird. Yo guys, this is that bird just sit down in a tree and wait. Yo, I feel like them get out when them see you come out and know say you go wash your car. You know? Them just come out, sit down patiently on the light wire or up in a tree and say, alright, I'm soon done, you know. So while them soon done, them just say clean them little self.
Yeah,
and as you're done and turn your back, or sometime before you even turn your back, then shit on the car glass. For the car itself. Them bird are not play.
Yeah, I'm dirty bird them.
Bird them not play.
I done wash car.
Hey.
Why stop right here?
You say I'm done wash your car. Okay. When you can't take the seat. But why top of your car and not touch it?
Yeah.
Camera not show it at all.
Watch it.
Joan your paw. Ah, you still wet me up. You still wet me up. Man, they're driving up and him not have no clothes.
Don't know.
Rub it.
Them wash your name.
Log on.
Scrubs, you see me? Quick and fast. Ring soft. Nah, I'm only for a car wash.
At the
Ring
car
top
wash.
dirt off right. Monday morning a car wash. Car can't look too dirty. Big Monday morning your car dirty.
Right.
Don't look good.
Doesn't, duh.
You see me? So, everything. So now deal with my peeps. Everything are in a Sunday evening. Yeah?
Watching the sunset.
I hope everybody well and safe. You know what I mean?
Belly full.
Belly full. And get some rest. For all who have to go to work Monday morning.
Yeah, myself included.
Is it? So you don't know, just go and tune in and watch the flex. Yeah, I know. Drive the car. You see me? Tutorial.
This is how you dry off the car. Hi.
You can look at 5 for me, please.
Did me work with that?
No.
How much you pay me? You can pay me? I don't want a poor man, you know.
Come on.
Man, if I have money.
Gotcha.
Guys, we have one banana and planting tree. I don't know. About 3 years we have that tree in our yard. The tree never grow banana yet. Or planting. It never do nothing yet. So one next to one that's right beside it. Kid you not 3 years. And this is how far it reach. Whole food. Whole food.
Yes, young.
Always. What the hell you pan a stand for? I know no lunatic. What it stand for? How one lad of this junior? Lexus. He'll start for Lexus. You best have a ladder. You don't even know what a ladder is. We'll Google it. On a bus? So when you're carrying the bus, you say, don't carry me again anything. You don't buy the soda for me?
Nope.
So you deal with your wife?
Yep.
On a Sunday?
Yep. No movement.
No conk. No conk. So you shot dirty?
Mm.
Dirty to go have help okay for wash it, don't you?
Hard work, hard work.
Slap in the head back, boy.
Yeah, I should use why my care. Well, peeps, we done now. Finish. Wash the car. And me wanna go in before the vampire them touch down. You see me? Don't know. You know what to do already, right? Like, comment, subscribe.
And share. Share.
Yeah, people, so I don't know.
What got myself? Oh.
I just a little evening mini vlog, you know? Nothing too special. Don't know, Sunday evening we are checking, you know. Make sure it's everybody alright. See? So I don't know. Nothing already. Stay safe until the next video.
I save some of my Sunday dinner for me.
Right.
So yes guys, big up on yourself. What mistake? You're lame. You're so lame.
See that?
You're so lame.
Yeah, put that.
My battery dead, say no flash. Alright. You go to your wall?